Okay, so we're going to start off with reviewing some sounds. Okay, so take a look at this. Okay, so say the sound slowly only if you can, but don't get fooled. We always look at this. What does this represent? We always have to say it fast. So say it fast. One more time. G. Louder. G. Okay. And how about this? Very good. Next. How about this? One more time. Okay, so be careful. This is one more time. Next. Ah. Okay. So now take a look at this word. Okay, so we're going to sound out the latter part. Okay, so this is at. Okay, one more time. Sound it out first. At. When you say it fast, at. Okay, so now take a look at this whole word. Okay, so this means that we don't stop under this sound, but we say it with the next sound that I will stop. Okay? Okay, so wait till I move to the down the arrow one time and figure out how do we say this fast. Okay, so take a look at each sound. So how do we say it fast? Read it fast.
Gut.
Gut, very good, because it rhymes with
At.
at. So this is
Gut.
gut. Next, this is, so take a look at this. We also don't stop at this because it's just the same as this sound. So they're both g. Yes, magkaiba lang sila nito. So let's see what does it rhyme with. This will be just this. Sound it out. An. So when we say it fast, an. So this word rhymes with the sound an. Okay, so what does it rhyme with? An. Okay, so take a look at this whole word and be ready to say it fast. Okay, so but wait for me to move down the arrow 3 times. So when you read this fast,
Gun.
and this rhymes with the sound,
An.
and when you read it fast,
Gun.
gun. Very good. So this another word also rhymes with what?
One.
What does it rhyme with?
An.
An. So look, they're the same spelling because they are the same sound. And what sound is that?
An.
An. So what does it rhyme with?
An.
An. Okay, so take a good look at this word and take a good look at each sounds and figure out how do we say this word fast. Okay? Okay, so read it the fast way.
Fun.
Fun. And they rhyme with the word with the sound
An.
an. Again, what word is this?
Fun.
How about this?
Gun.
Gun. How about this?
Gut.
Gut. Very good. Okay, now we're going to read some words. Okay? So put your finger in the first ball and sound it out.
Win.
Okay, so that's how we sound it out. How about saying it fast?
Win.
Win. Okay, so that's how we read it. How about this?
Rug.
Nice. So how do we read it?
Rug.
Rug. So that's how. about this?
Rug.
Rag. One more time.
Rag.
Okay, so when we say the word
Rag.
rag, next. Sound it out.
Da.
Okay, so we don't stop here. My bad. This should be an arrow. This should be arrow. Okay, so we don't stop here. Okay, so where do we start? Okay, so sound it out.
Da.
Nice. So when you say the word
Duck.
duck, how about this? Sound it out. Good job. How about saying the word?
Weed.
Weed. So that's how we say the word. Okay, so this time we're going to read this the fast way, just like what we did with this. But this time you're going to wait for me to move my finger down the arrow one time, and you're going to figure out how to say the word, but you won't say it until I tell you to read it fast. Okay? Okay, so read it fast.
Weed.
Read. Very good. So how about this? Read it fast.
Duck.
Duck. How about this? Read it
Rug.
fast. Rug. How about this word? Read it
Rug.
fast. Rug. So they're almost the same. How about this?
Wind.
Win. How about the last word? Read fast.
Weed.
With. Okay, so let's try reading them all fast now.
Duck. Rug. Rug. Wind.
Okay, good.
Weed.
Fast.
Wind.
With. With.
Weed.
Because this is z. With. With. Okay. So what word is this?
Weeds.
What word? Read it.
Weed.
With. Not weeds. This is with. With.
Weed.
With. With, not weeds. With.
Weed.
With.
Weed.
Okay. One more time. Last.
Weed.
With. Very good. Okay. So this time I'm going to introduce you to one word first. So this word is I. Okay, so remember this word because we're going to see it in the story later. Okay, so what word is this?
I.
Just say it fast. I.
I.
I means ako. What does I means? Ako. In English, it is me.
Me.
Me. So I means what?
Me.
Me. Very good. So remember this because we're going to see this later. Okay, so next, let's review some sounds. Okay? Okay, so say it slowly.
E.
Next. Next. What this?
G.
Can you say this slow? Go. And last. Is it air? How do you say this? Ah. One more time. Last time. Good. Okay, now we're going to move on with our story. Okay, so see, this is the sound that I taught you earlier. Okay, so put your finger on the top line. Okay, so let's sound it out.
We.
We. What word?
We.
We. Next, sound it out. Wheel.
Wheel.
What word is this?
Wheel.
Wheel. And?
Run.
Okay, so what word?
Run.
Takbo. Okay. Next.
E.
13:17.
I.
I. And? Next.
Wheel.
What word? Same as this. Will. And next.
Wheel.
Win. So what word?
Win.
Win means nanalo. Okay, manalo. What this? I. Say this fast. I.
Am.
And what's this?
Am.
What word?
Am.
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 I am.
I am.
Good. Next.
Not.
Is it not? It's not. One more time. Sound it out.
Not.
Okay, so what word is this?
Not.
Not. And next.
Duck.
What word?
Duck. I.
I.
Am.
Am.
An.
Ant. What word is this?
Ant.
Good. Now we're going to read for the second time. But this time I'm going to ask some questions. Okay? So this. We. Start.
We will run.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
We will run.
Okay, so next.
I will win.
Am I going to win? Yes,
I win.
I will win.
I will win.
Good. Next.
I am not a duck.
Okay, so am I a duck?
No.
No. Okay, let's see what am I.
I am an ant.
Okay, so what am I?
I am an ant.
Okay, so in Tagalog, ako ay langgam. Ant. Good. Okay, so now let's take a look at this picture. Okay, so in this picture, what can you see?
Ant.
Ants. So there are ants. So there are how many ants?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So there are 5 ants. Okay, so there are 5 ants. What do you think they're going to do?
Race.
Race. They are going to what race? What kind of race? They're going to have a running race. Okay, so this is the start line. Okay? So, what do you think the ant said? What do you think the ant said? He said that he said,
I am not.
here.
I win.
I will win.
win.
I will win. So,
I
this,
will
for
win.
example, the ant said, I will win. Ano sabi niya? Mananalo ako. Okay, so who do you think will win here?
This.
This. I think so too. I think so. This ant will win. Have you ever tried joining a race?
No.
No. Tanong-tanong ko. Hindi ko kabisado. Wow. So take a look at this picture. So what can you see in the picture?
Ant.
Ant. So how many ants are there?
5.
5. Okay. So what do you think are the ants preparing to do?
Race.
Race. To run a race. Okay. So what did Go. Ito muna. Mamaya na. Bye-bye. Ano ba naman uno?
Hindi kasi uno. Siguro
Si Ayan. Ayan. Kung gulo ko sa... Hindi naman sila magkamukha. Take a look at this picture. What can you see in the picture?
Ant.
Ants. So how many ants are there?
5.
Okay, so there are 5. So, the 4 are... What do you think are the 4 going to do?
Race.
Race, because there's a start line. Okay, so it will be a... What are they going to do? Running race. Running. Tatakbo sila. Okay, so what did the ant said? What did the ant said earlier?
I will win.
Win.
I will win.
I will win. So who do you think is the one saying I will win? This. How do you say so? Because he's happy. Because he looks determined to win. Okay, so do you think he will win?
Yes.
Yes. Because unlike other ants, he is happy. Okay, so have you also tried to join a race? Have you won a race?
Yes.
Yes. So who did you compete with? Sino kalaban mo nung nag-race kayo?
Kapatid ko, tsaka pinsan ko.
Okay, so you had a race with your brother and your cousin, and you won the race. Okay, so how do you say that? I
won
the
race.
Good, I won the race. So you won the race. Very good. Okay, so let's move on to the story again. We're going to read the first part the fast way, okay? So I'm going to read that first. So it will be, we will run. Okay, so we will run. So that's how we say it the fast way. And I will win. Okay, I will win. Okay, so remember how to say those words because you're going to say them later, okay? But first, I need you to find the word I. I means me. I. So,
Three.
okay, there are three I. So how about the will?
Two wheel.
Two will. And the win?
Win.
Win? Win?
One.
Okay, win. Okay, so now it will be your turn to read the fast way. Okay, so do you still remember them? Let's see.
We will run. I will win.
Good job. We will run and I will win. Okay, so to close the lesson, we're going to write some sounds, of course. And the first sound we're going to write is... What's that? What's that? Nice. Okay, so what sound is that again? Like,
Cut.
do we see the sound here?
No. Duck.
Duck in the duck. The third letter of the word duck. And the next sound would be... What's that? How do you say that? G. Oh my god. Nice. Okay, so good job writing sounds. So that's it for our lesson 34.